Tired of your Discord server looking like everyone else's with the same boring emoji? Learn how to upload your own custom emoji in under 5 minutes. So here's the deal. You've got your server set up, maybe a few members hanging out, but something feels off. It looks like every other server out there. Same old smiley faces, same default reactions. But your community has its own personality, its own inside jokes, its own culture. And your emoji should reflect that. That's what we're going to fix right now.
I'll show you exactly where to click in Discord settings to upload and name your emoji. Let's start with accessing server settings. All right, first thing you need to do is look at the very top left of your Discord window. You'll see your server name. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu appears. From that list, select Server Settings. This is the control center for everything on your server, so you'll be coming back here a lot. Now, once you're inside server settings, we need to find the Emoji tab. Look down the left-hand sidebar. You should see a section labeled Expressions, or sometimes Moderation, depending on how your Discord is set up. Click on the Emoji option. This is where all the magic happens. So now that we've got the right screen open, let's upload your first emoji. You'll see a button that says Upload Emoji. Click it. Your file browser will pop up. Find the image or GIF you want to use. Now, a quick tip here. Discord has a size limit, so make sure your file isn't too huge. Typically under 256 kilobytes works great. And it needs to be a PNG, JPG, or GIF file. Once you've selected your file, you'll see it appear on the screen. But don't click away yet. There's one more important step. You need to give your emoji a name. Change the name in the text field right there. It has to be at least 2 characters long, and you can only use letters, numbers, and underscores. No spaces or special symbols. Pick something your community will instantly recognize, something that makes sense for that specific reaction. All right, once you're happy with the name, click the Finish button. And that's it. Your custom emoji is now live on your server. Now, let's test it out. Go ahead and find any text channel in your server. Click on the Emoji Picker button next to the message bar. You should see your brand new emoji right there at the top. Click it, hit send. There it is. Your server just got a little more personal. And that's really all there is to it. You can do this for all 3 emoji slots if you're on a free server, or way more if you have a boosted server. I've tested this process countless times, and it works every single time. No tricks, no hidden steps. So take a few minutes, upload your inside jokes, your mascots, your custom reactions. Make your server feel like home. Thanks for following along, and I'll see you in the next one.